Jai Hind, students of class 6. Good morning to all of you. Today I am solving the remaining question of exercise 2A, that is question number 14. According to question number 14, express each of the following numbers as the sum of two odd primes. 36 equal to 7 plus 29. Since 7 is an odd prime number and 29 is also odd prime number, and 36 is the summation of two prime odd numbers. Question number second, 42 equal to 5 plus 37. That is summation of two prime numbers. 5 and 37 are two prime numbers. Now two question you will do at homework. Question number 15. Equal to 5 plus 7 plus 9. Now see question number second, 35 equal to sum of three prime odd numbers, that is 5 plus 7 plus 23, and you will do the other question at homework. Exercise 2B. A number is divisible by 2. How? If the last digit of a number is the even number, then that number is divisible by 2. That is, if the last digit equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is divisible by 2. For the 3, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then that number will be divisible by 3. Sum of digits is multiple of 3. And for the 5, if the last digit is either 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. For the 6, if the numbers is divisible by 2 and 3, then it will be divisible by product of 2 and 3, that is 6. Now we are solving the question in your book. Question number 1. First, 2650. You have to check this number is divisible by 2 or not. Since last digit is 0, so 2650 is divisible by 2. By 2. Second question, 69435. Since the last digit is 5, odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. since last digit is 6946 is 5, so 69435 is not divisible by 2. Question number third, 59628. Since last digit is 8, even number, so this number will be divisible by 2. Since last digit is 8, so 59628 is divisible by 2. 3 questions I solved and 3 questions you will do at your homework. Question number 2. Test the divisibility of the following numbers by 3. First number 7 plus 3, 733. Sum of digits equal to 7 plus 3 plus 3, that is 7 plus 3, 10 plus 13. Since 13 is not in the table of 3, that 13 is not the multiple of 3, so this number is not divisible by 3. Since 13 is not multiple of 3, so 733 is not divisible by 3. Question number 2. You have to check this number is divisible by 3 or not. Sum of digits equal to 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 plus 8. 8, 3, 11, 12. Since 12 is divisible by 3, so that number is divisible by 3. Since 12 is multiple of 3, so 10,038. So 10,038 is divisible by 3. Question number 3. Test the divisibility of the following numbers by 4. Note, if last 2 digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. By 4. Since last two digit 18 is not divisible by 4, so 618 is not divisible by 4. 618 is not divisible by 4. Third, 63712. Since last two digits is 12, since last two digits is 12, which is divisible by 4. So 63,712 is divisible by 4. By 4. Question number 4. Test the divisibility of the following numbers by 5. Divisibility by 5 depends on the last digit of a number. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. For example, 4965. Since last digit is 5, so 4965 is divisible by 5. Since last digit is 5, so 4965 is divisible by 5. Sixth question, 438750. Since last digit is 0, so this number is divisible by 5. Since last digit is 0, so 438750 is divisible by 5. Students, you will do the remaining question, that is homework in 1 to 4 exercise 2B attitude homework. Thanks students, have a nice day.